Let's say you have a PDF with multiple images inside it and you want to save those images separately. Instead of taking screenshots one by one, you can extract all images directly from the PDF. Let me show you how to do it step by step. Many online tools let you extract images from PDFs, but they require uploading your file to the internet. For better privacy and safety, we'll use an offline tool called Systweak PDF Editor. Your PDF stays on your computer and nothing is uploaded online. You can download Systweak PDF Editor from the link given in the description. Let us begin. First, open the PDF file in Systweak PDF Editor from which you want to extract the images. Now go to the Tools menu on the top bar. From there, click on More Options and select Extract Images. A new window will open. Here, you can choose all pages if you want to extract images from the entire PDF. Or you can enter a specific page range if you only want images from certain pages. Choose the option you need and click OK. The software will now start extracting the images. Once the process is complete, all extracted images will be saved automatically in a new folder. This folder will be created in the same location where your original PDF file is stored. Open the folder and here you can see all the images saved separately and ready to use. This method saves a lot of time and works perfectly for both study and professional work. And since everything works offline, your data remains private and secure. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, comment your questions below and share this video with others who work with PDFs.